welcome back to Afropot. I'm excited to share this recipe with you today. I will be making jam, homemade jam, which is simple and easy to make at home. You can equally make your jam at home by yourself. Let's go together in this video as we make our homemade jam, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Let's go. The first thing I'm going to do, I'll remove all the green part of the strawberry. I'm going to give it a good wash under the zinc. I'm going to wash it well. I'll put it in a bowl after. I'm going to wash it well under a running tap. I'm going to add half cup of sugar. This is not full half. I'm going to add quarter cup of granulated sugar into it. I'll add some lemon juice. I'll stir everything together. I'll turn on my heat. I'll stir everything together and allow this to cook on low to medium heat till it's ready. I use a full pack of this strawberry, and this is 454 grams, which is 16 ounces, and I use 1/4 cup of sugar and like 3 teaspoons of it's boiling gradually. Let's see. It's not too sweet and it's not sour, even though the strawberry itself, the one I use, is not the too sweet type, and the sugar that I added is just perfect for it. I need to stir this occasionally so that it will not get burnt. And leave it for like 3-4 minutes. So our jam is ready. I'll allow this to cool down and I'll pour it in a jar or a container and store in the fridge. Our jam has cooled down. I'm going to pour it. See the beautiful color. Yeah. When you be trying out this, it's very easy to make and no preservative or anything in this. You can store this in your fridge and I'm sure you'll finish it within 2 weeks. Until next time, when I'm going to see you in another great video on this channel, please comment, like and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I appreciate all your viewing. Thank you. See you. Bye.